Man, I like this one.
What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. In today's video we're gonna test a pressure washer. This is a WHOLESUN pressure washer. This is 3000 psi and 2.4 GPM. So let's unbox it, let's test it, and let's see how good it is. Let's do it. Okay, here are the difference on the nozzle tips. This one is the 0. You can see it over there. This is the 15. This is the 25. And this is the 40. So it gets wider. 15, 25, and 40. But I think when you put it on the 40 degrees, you lose a little bit of pressure with this one. So I think the 15 is good to do concrete. This one is good, but something maybe too thin. For me, it's too thin, that one. So we're gonna start cleaning the concrete with the 15. Okay, you can see the difference here. Over there, that's the area that I cleaned, and this is the area still dirty. So you can see the difference here. So I had to do it a couple of times, a couple of passes to clean it. But it works, okay? But it doesn't have like a super strong pressure. That's because it's an electric pressure washer, but it still works to clean the concrete, okay? So first test is done. Now let's test this one on wood. Oh wow. On wood it works great. Amazing. Look at the difference from this to this. Wow. It works great on wood. So this test is done and it works great on wood. Okay. It works great too. You can see that the area is this one, and this is the area that I clean. As you can see, it works great on the wall too. But I have to keep the pressure very close to the wall. But it works. For this one, we're gonna test it on the 40 degrees nozzle. Okay, half of soap and then half of water and a little bit of soap. Okay, so remember, the more soap you put, the more foam you will get. So now let's test this one. This one is great. I like it. Look at the foam. Wow. Man, I like this one. Look at that. It's amazing. I like it. This one is small, but it's great. I like it. Man, this one, it passed the test. It gives a lot of foam, the foam gun. Okay, I almost forgot to test the brush. This one, you can use it for the car or for the wall, but I'm gonna use it on the wall. I don't wanna use this one on my car. Okay, but we're gonna test this one on the wall. Let's see how it works. Okay, let's test the brush. Let's see it. Okay, only it will drip water in there. You can see it. Let's test it here. Okay, so that's how the brush works. Probably this one, you're gonna use it only when there's a lot of mud on the wall or on the car, okay? But for me, I think it's only for a lot of mud, okay? So it works great. Okay guys, this is the WHOLESUN pressure washer. I like it. So the things that I like about this pressure washer is, first, that it's electric. It doesn't make too much noise. It's good to wash the car, to clean the concrete, to clean wood and walls, okay? But remember, the pressure is not the same like a gas pressure washer, okay? So it's a little bit less, but for what I needed, it's great. Okay? But let me know what you guys think on the comments. If you like the video, please like the video. The link for this product is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.